How to use a Walmart gift card online. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use a Walmart gift card online. So in order to use a Walmart gift card online, all you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, launch to your Walmart account. So you can go ahead and open up your Walmart application using your mobile device, or you can also simply log in from a web browser. So either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Now right on this page, you'll have to go ahead and select a product, and you can purchase or buy it using your gift card. So in my case, I've already added a product to my cart. Just tap the cart button once the product has already been added, then click the continue to checkout button located right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, it's going to take you to this interface where you need to go ahead and confirm all of these. Now enter in your billing address, all of that, and then you need to go ahead and click on continue. After you've done that, it's going to take you to your payment method page where you can go ahead and add a gift card as a payment method. You might either be asked to scan a QR code, or you might be asked to enter in the PIN number manually. That's how you can use your Walmart gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.